Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the Halloween Part 2 event in Grey Garden. So there's new activities, the Dead Tree and the Gravedigger. So let's do the Gravedigger first. You're just going to talk to the Gravedigger and select Let's Go Grave Digging, and it's going to basically teleport you to another area. So you're just going to select, I don't know, the place at random on which one you want to dig. Okay, no treasure so far. Cool. Oh! Yay! We got one treasure. That's cool. So basically you'll need to dig like that. I only have like this much. Okay, let's open this. Ooh. Oh, no. Okay, no more digs remaining. Okay, I have to buy the digs. Okay. To exit, just press that. And to do the dead tree leaves, there's just some quests here. Select show tasks, sorry. And then there's grow a bat to age 7. Open 3 Halloween gearbox and harvest 5 pumpkins, and then you'll get a random reward. So those are the new activities in the Halloween event. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.